He has not texted you for a couple of days and you're getting really scared to lose him? Well, don't be scared, as in this video I will share with you 8 reasons why men respond to distance and why they actually start to pursue you when you become distant. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value women secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before I share with you 8 reasons why men become distant, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you a woman of high value or low value, which I will drop down in the video description box below. And just before we start, if you like any of my merch, Chase Goals Not Drama, which is my favorite, you can get this in my YouTube store. So without further ado, the tip number 1. Give him a chance to miss you. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, and a lot of men realize their feelings for you when they are not with you. I would even say distance is fabulous, as it makes him realize how he truly feels about you. If he realizes that his feelings for you are strong, he will soon be coming after you and sweeping you off your feet. Number 2, distance makes him wonder about you. When he doesn't know what you are doing, he starts to wonder about you. This is good, as it creates a bit of mystery and uncertainty. Some women share with guys every single step that they take. Even that we went to the shop to buy some milk and bread and on the way back had to stop for a petrol. Ladies, this is boring. If you have nothing interesting to say, well, perhaps don't say anything. Then you will let him wonder what you're thinking and what you're doing. Rather than share your every single step and keep him bored, that is when he will be in touch with you, asking more about you. You will create some mystery and won't behave as an open book. Number 3, and I would say this is a bit of a unique tip. Give him distance and encourage him to hang out with his guy friends when he is grumpy or starts to pick on you. When a man starts to nag, complain, and looks irritated, usually it is a sign of low testosterone, as this is a woman-like behavior. When a man is on a low testosterone and behaves like a whiny little girl, he is not pleasant with you. Same as when a woman is on a high testosterone and acts all masculine. So instead of getting offended or getting involved in his mood swings or arguments, encourage him to have some fun with his guy friends. Encourage him to hang out with his masculine friend John, or play some football or go to the gym, etc. And do you know why men pick fights when we are grumpy? Because it raises their testosterone level and makes them feel better. And once he wins the fight, he feels really good. Therefore, remove yourself. If he is trying to cause an argument, for example, why there is no milk in the fridge, as arguing with him will not solve any problems. And by behaving aggressively, he will feel better at your expense. Number 4, distance will make you look like a challenge. When you stay distant, you are behaving as a challenge. You are not focusing on him, putting him on a pedestal, or obsessing over him. When you behave as a challenge, you become his goal. Men are goal getters, right? They love challenges, games, competition. Don't make it easy for him by putting yourself on a plate and obsessing over him. Instead, focus on your path, on your life, have goals and dreams, and see, does he see enough value in you to make an effort to conquer you? It's actually also a good way to test a man. Is he really into you? A man who is truly into you will come after you thinking of the ways or strategies to conquer your heart. A man who doesn't see your worth or your value will just leave it. And this is awesome, as you will not be wasting your time. Number 5, when you give him distance, he thinks about what he has done wrong. If you're being distant because he crossed a boundary, for example, well, you're giving him time to think about what he has done wrong. And if he has real feelings for you, he will reflect not only on what he did wrong in that situation, but what he has done wrong in the whole dating or relationship. And your distance boundary will make him appreciate you more and not overstep the boundaries the next time. Number 6, by distancing yourself, you are giving him his freedom. When you distance yourself from a guy, he gets all the freedom. He can do whatever he wants, hang out with his friends, travel, whatever. Yet, when you have all the freedom, but all you can think is that one special person, the freedom becomes not that fun anymore. The grass isn't always greener on the other side. Giving a man freedom within mutual respect and trust makes him experience that, see the reality, and appreciate what he has. Number 7, distancing yourself, you show him that you trust him. By giving a man distance and not nagging, complaining, or checking in on him, you're showing him that you are secure and confident, which is really attractive. And you're showing to him that you respect his personal space and trust him. By showing him trust, you are honoring him and making him feel valuable. Number 8, give him distance, especially if he has problems. Well, usually men just take distance themselves when we have problems. You don't give him distance, he usually just pulls away automatically. Why? Well, men, unlike women, like to go to their cave and sort out their problems by themselves, and offering him help will most likely make him feel emasculated, whereas just leaving him to it will show your trust and respect. Ladies, if you would like to know the differences between men and women, I have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel. You can find it somewhere here. But also, I would really recommend you to read Dr. John Gray books, as he really breaks it down very well, the differences between men and women. So ladies, if you like my video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think? Join Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And if you would like to know how to stay attractive via text, games men play on women, how to control your emotions, how to get your ex back, how to love yourself, and if you would like a bit of financial independence, so you're not relying on a man 100%, or perhaps maybe you have a hobby and you would like to try to make a business out of it, I have an awesome online business course where I'm sharing with you all how I have done it. If you're interested, I will put a link on where to get it as a pinned comment under this video. Thank you for watching, my queens. Kisses from Dorset.